Hello everybody. So again we are here with a new question. The question is that first of all I would like to introduce the question. Question is that there are the 5 positive charges placed at the 5 corners of hexagon having side L. So see, this is one hexagon having side L and 5 plus charges are kept at the 5 vertices or 5 corners of hexagon. One negative or you can say opposite polarity charge of same amount is kept at the center. Then find the force on this charge due to all these remaining charges. So this becomes case of principle of superposition. So see, this is a charge. So this one and this one, this both have, this one has positive charge, this one has negative charge. It means this charge will attract to this one in this direction. So this is the force F. This charge attract to this one in this direction with a force F, right? Similarly, this one will attract this charge. This is a charge, so this will attract to this one with force F, and this one will attract to this one with force F, and here this one will attract to this one force F. So at this minus Q charge, how many forces? 5 forces. See, one in this direction. Okay, another opposite to this one F, right? One in this direction, and see, one in this direction. So like that, this is like that, one in this direction and another in this direction. Now this question becomes very easy. You can find from here, this F will cancel out due to this one, this F will cancel out due to this one. So how many F net? Only F. F net is equal to what? How many forces is there? Only F. And we can say this distance from here to there, L. So force become K, Q1, Q2. Q1 is also Q and Q2 is also Q. So Q square by L square. So this become Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught L square, and this become answer. If you want to solution of such kind of any question and video on any topic, so please post your doubt or message, right? Thank you.